Hello friends, welcome to Target NEET, one solution for all your question practice. Today we are here to solve the previous year question in important question of biomolecules, which is an extremely important chapter from NEET point of view. You can expect 2 to 3 questions from this chapter. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to enzyme? Option A, haloenzyme is equals to apoenzyme plus coenzyme. Option B, coenzyme is equals to apoenzyme plus holoenzyme. Option C, holoenzyme is equals to coenzyme plus cofactor. Or option D, apoenzyme is equals to holoenzyme plus coenzyme. And the correct option for this question is option A, haloenzyme is equals to apoenzyme plus coenzyme. Now moving to question number 2. Which of the following are not polymeric? Option A, protein. Option B, polysaccharide. Option C, lipid. Option D, nucleic acid. And the correct option for this question is option C, lipid. Now moving to question number 3. A non-proteinaceous enzyme is option A, lysozyme, option B, ribozyme, option C, ligase, option D, deoxyribonuclease. And the correct option for this question is option B, ribozyme. Now moving to question number 4. Now question number 4. Which of the following is the least likely to involved in stabilizing the three-dimensional folding of most protein? Option A, hydrogen bond. Option B, electrostatic interaction. Option C, hydrophobic interaction. Option D, ester bond. And the correct option for this question is option D, ester bond. Now moving to question number 5th. Which of the following describe the given graph correctly? The graph is given and the option is option A, endothermic reaction with energy. A is presence of enzyme and B in absence of enzyme. You can see graph again. Option B, exothermic reaction with energy. A in presence of enzyme. Option B in absence of enzyme. Option C, endothermic reaction with energy. A in absence of enzyme and B in presence of enzyme. Option D, exothermic reaction with energy. A in absence of enzyme and B in presence of enzyme. Once again I show you the graph. And the correct option for this question is option B, which is exothermic reaction with energy. A in presence of enzyme and B in absence of enzyme. Now moving to question number 6. A typical fat molecule is made up of option A, 1 glycerol and 1 fatty acid molecule. B, 3 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecule. Option C, 3 glycerol molecule and 1 fatty acid molecule. Option D, 1 glycerol molecule and 3 fatty acid molecule. And the correct option for this question is D, 1 glycerol molecule and 3 fatty acid molecule. Now moving to question number 7. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Option A, uracil is a pyrimidine. Option B, glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Option C, sucrose is disaccharide. Option D, cellulose is polysaccharide. And the correct option is option B, glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Now moving to question number 8. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropoda is formed by the polymerization of option A N-acetyl glucosamine, option B lipoglycans, option D keratin sulfate and chondroitin sulfate, option D glycoxamia. And the correct option for this question is option A N-acetyl glycosamine. Now moving to question number 9. Which of the following biomolecule does have a phosphodiester bond? Option A amino acid in a polypeptide, option B nucleic acid in a nucleotide, option C fatty acid in a diglyceride, option D monosaccharide in a polysaccharide. And the correct option for this question is option B nucleic acid in nucleotide. Now moving to next question number 10. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? The competitive inhibitor does not affect the rate of breakdown of the enzyme substrate complex. Option B, the presence of the competitive inhibitor decreases the Km of the enzyme for which the substrate. Option C, a competitive inhibitor reacts reversibly with the enzyme to form an enzyme inhibitor complex. Option D, in competitive inhibition, the inhibitor molecule is not chemically changed by the enzyme. And the correct option for this question is option B, the presence of the competitive inhibitor decreases the Km of the enzyme for the substrate. Now moving to question number 11. Select the option which is not correct with the respect to enzyme action. Substrate bind with enzyme as its active site. Addition of lots of succinate does not reverse the inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase by malonate. A non-competitive inhibitor bind the enzyme at a site distinct from the which bind to substrate. A malonate is a competitive inhibitor. A malonate is a competitive inhibitor of the succinic dehydrogenase. And the correct option for this question is option B. Addition of lot of succinate does not reverse the inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase by malonate. Now moving to question number 12, which is the last question of today's session. Which one of the following is non-reducing carbohydrate? Maltose, sucrase, lactase, ribose, 5-phosphate. And the correct option for this question is option B. Thank you for watching this session. If you like this session, please like the video, subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel Target. Thank you.